This video quickly walks you through on how to turn YouTube video to text, or if you can also call transcript, without using any external application. The first step is to launch a web browser. Visit youtube.com. Once the YouTube page opens, you can click on the video you want to generate a transcript on. Or if it's not on the home page, what you need to do is just to search for the video or the channel's name. Here, let me search for this channel. So I'll click on the channel name, and then I will get to the video I want to generate the transcript on. So here, let me try watching this particular video. Okay, let's say this is the video I want to generate a transcript on. What you need to do is, once you get to the video, you will see the section for description. Alright, if the description is long, click on more, okay, for you to see more. Then scroll to the bottom part of that video. Alright, you can see here, look at show transcript. So click on that. On clicking on show transcript, a section will be opened here showing the transcript of this particular video. That means whatever is being said inside this video is being converted to text. So take your cursor to this, press and hold the left button of your mouse and copy to the end of the transcript. Alright, which after that, and highlight to the end of the transcript, which after that you can use Ctrl+C to copy the text, or right click and select the copy option. So once the text is copied with the timestamps, you can delete that later. Alright, so what I like doing is to open the Notes app on my PC. If you're using Mac, open any particular program that will allow you to paste text. So I'll click here and now we search for Notepad. You can see that here. I will open it. So here am I on my Notepad. I will use Ctrl+V to paste it. So this is the transcript of this video. So I can take my time and delete all these timestamps if that is what I want to do, and then structure it the way I want it to be. But that's not all. You can still use the AI feature that is being integrated into YouTube recently to make this appear more like a blog post or anything you want it to be like. Okay, and note, for you to be able to do all these things I'm doing here, you have to first sign into YouTube. You can see my profile picture here, meaning that I'm signed in. So let's see how this AI feature will help us, and that is the ask questions. So I'll click on this. Then once you click on that, you see the ask questions section. So I'll click here and I will say turn this video into a blog post. Let's say I want to post this as a blog post. Okay, here I have my point. It says turn the transcript of this video into a blog post. So after that, click on this send icon. You can see it has done that. How to quickly find old emails in Outlook using Copilot AI tool. So you can copy that and still paste it into a text editor, and after that you remove all the timestamps and use it for what you want to do. So I can still ask this AI tool a question. I can say summarize this video into 2 bullet points. So you can see that summarize this video into 2 bullet points. So I'll send, and it's going to summarize this video and give me the points. You can see that leverage Copilot AI. Okay, you read through, and this one say advanced email search. You read through. So it's as simple as that. With this, you can generate the transcript of any video you find on YouTube without needing an external application to do that for you. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.